Hello and welcome to the latest episode of Blue Mountain Tutorials YouTube channel. Today, we'll be discussing a recent article that has caught our attention. Microsoft is reportedly planning to launch a new version of its search engine, Bing, that uses the technology behind OpenAI language model, ChatGPT. So, let's dive into the details. But before we start, please subscribe and hit the bell icon. Leave a like and a comment and share this video. According to the article, Microsoft hopes to launch the new feature before the end of March in a bid to make Bing more competitive with Google. By using ChatGPT, Bing could provide more human-like answers to users' questions, rather than just links to information. Currently, both Bing and Google surface relevant information from links at the top of many search queries. But Google's knowledge panels are more widespread when it comes to searching for information about people, places, organizations, and things. Microsoft's use of ChatGPT could help Bing rival Google's knowledge graph, which is a knowledge base that Google uses to serve up instant answers that are regularly updated from crawling the web and user feedback. ChatGPT has already brought conversational AI to the mainstream, allowing users to create poems, essays, code, and more. But for all its skills, the system still has major flaws, including racial biases and the presentation of incorrect information as true fact. Even OpenAI CEO Sam Altman has cautioned against relying on ChatGPT for important matters. It remains to be seen how Microsoft plans to integrate ChatGPT into Bing and whether it will address these flaws. Microsoft has been betting its future on AI for several years and has a deep relationship with OpenAI, including an investment of $1 billion and an exclusive license to use the text generator AI GPT-3. It will be interesting to see how this will impact the rumored integration of ChatGPT into Bing. That's all for today's episode. Thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on the latest technology news. We'll see you next time.